Beauties, it's Nikea here, back with another video, and I'm here to give you all an update on my locks. Alright, I'm so excited to do this, but almost forgot. Before we get into this, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below, click that subscribe button. Once you do that, that bell notification button's gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Okay, now let's get into this. Today it has been exactly 3 months since I started my locks with 2-strand twist. I started them on my own. I did them myself. I've been maintaining them myself. Let's get into this lock update. So I'm just gonna tell you all like how I've been taking care of my hair, how my hair's been doing, and all that jazz. So this video probably won't go up until after it has been 3 months, but you're gonna get it nonetheless. So like I said, I started my locks on my own. I think when I installed them, I had like 120 something locks or 118. But since I started my locks in November, I have combined some. I have taken some apart. Between November and December, I did some combining and I did some separating, and then recently in January I actually did some combining of my locks. So I went through, and some of them that just felt, the base just felt thin, like this one. These are combined locks, and I felt like this was a good way to combine them. So all I did was like twist it as if I was doing a retwist at the roots, and then down the body of the lock I just 2-strand twisted it together. I just felt like it was really, the foundation just wasn't good. And there are some back here that I had went back and separated that I combined back together. So I was just feeling and seeing what's good for my hair. Once again, I maintain them myself. I'm not a professional. I haven't gone to a professional, but I'm okay with that. I'm just going through and just feeling like the size of them, the ones that feel too small, because I feel like they are going to swell, but I don't want them so small where I feel like they're going to break off. So I have combined my locks. Now I have a total, I literally just did this before I recorded. I went through and counted my locks. I'm at 118. So I believe that's what I started them with. Let me see. Yeah, I started with 118. Should have left my hair alone. So I'm back at 118. So I don't know, I may go through and combine some more, but I'm just like literally checking the roots of my hair just to make sure that the parting section is good and has a strong foundation, and that the body of the lock is good so it's not thin or anything like that. So as far as maintaining my hair, I have only done one retwist so far, and that was 6 weeks after I first installed my locks. So I mentioned this in my why I decided to lock video, that I decided that I was going to retwist every 6 to 8 weeks, just try to extend it as much as possible, because frequent retwisting can damage your hair. So that is why I made the decision to not retwist as much, but retwist enough so that my locks can have a good foundation. I also am washing my hair about every 3 to 4 weeks. So my retwist typically, well, I've only done one, so it's lasted about a month, my first retwist, and that's okay because my locks are new, they're still baby locks, they're still growing, they're still, you know, trying to do their thing and find out who they are, so that's okay. And I want to I wash them just when my hair starts to feel, when it starts to feel dirty. I just listen to my hair. You can just tell when it's time to like reset. So my head was itching a lot, so I was like, okay, let me wash it and reset it and get all the product and stuff out of my hair. So to go along with that, I also have a like weekly hydration and moisturization routine, and I also have a video up on my channel of what I use to moisturize my hair, my rose water, my hair oil, and I did show you all in a previous video my water blend of glycerin, oil, and just water. But usually I'll use the rose water as more of like a conditioner to like soften my hair and really penetrate the locks and to get that moisture and hydration deep within. And then I'll use the water glycerin spray just as a water based product to get the moisture in there, and then I'll seal it in with my oil. For my scalp, I have been using, y'all know this, my tried and true Mielle Organics rosemary and mint scalp treatment oil. And then for my locks, I've been using my hair oil blend, and I'll also use this on my scalp as well because recently I've added some essential oils in here. I added peppermint and tea tree just to treat my scalp because I have been experiencing dandruff. That's another reason why I washed my hair more frequently, because my scalp has been getting dry. So the last time I washed my hair, I didn't do a retwist. That video's up. See, I got videos for all this stuff I'm talking about. But I went through my scalp and just loosened up all the dandruff and stuff like that, just to make sure that my foundation is clean. And that's why I did the scalp scrub, because I just wanted to reset, really cleanse and detox my scalp and my hair, because I just knew it was time. I just knew, like I said, I just knew it was time to reset. I'm listening to my hair the same way I would when I was a loose natural. I was listening to my hair, and after a while I just knew when my hair needed to be reset, when I needed to do certain things, because I had been maintaining my hair for so long. With my locks, I'm relearning my hair in this new form, learning how to take care of it and maintain it in this new form. So now I'm listening and seeing, okay, just as of late, I'm needing to wash my hair every 3 to 4 weeks and moisturize it weekly, or every 4 to 5 days if it's less than a week. So maybe twice a week at most, I will re-moisturize my hair. I just feel it and listen to it, and when it feels dry, that's when I'll add some moisture and hydration and seal everything in. So between retwists, I have been doing some Loc Styles, which I recorded a video on that. I don't know if it's up yet, but if it is, y'all can check it out. So my styles, I'll put my hair up, and I usually don't style my hair until it gets like this, until my retwist is like, okay, we're done, I'm not holding on anymore. So I'll style my hair by putting it up, just different styles, and I'll wait until this time to lay my edges, like if I need it. But today I wanted to come to y'all raw so you can just feel it, see how it's going. My locks are actually starting to lock. So let's see if I can get a close-up. Like the roots right here actually starting to lock. I can feel the clumping. I guess this is what you would call budding. It feels like when you take your braids out, you know how when you take your braids out and then like right at the root there's like a buildup of like all the product and dirt and stuff? That's what it feels like, even though it's clean. But yeah, right there at the root. Y'all see that? I see it. I see it. A little baby bud. But yep, let's get y'all an up close texture shot. This is what my hair is looking like. I actually don't mind the frizziness at all. I'm embracing it. It's a part of the process. So let me just show y'all my hair. That side and the locks on this side. And when I go through and moisturize my hair, I mentioned this, I will go through and separate at the roots, because sometimes they'll tend to try to like marry and tangle together. But I'll go through and separate them to make sure that the roots aren't tangled and locks aren't trying to marry. Here's the back. I do need to get a shape up, because this back right here. So after my next retwist, I do plan to get my husband to shape me up in the back. But here's the back of my hair. That's what it's looking like. So I feel like my hair is growing nice and healthy. The locks are maintaining well. These roots, honestly, this is not all new growth. This is just hair that came untwisted. I'm guessing like maybe half of this is what would be considered new growth. At least half an inch, because there's about an inch of new growth here. Let me see. Yeah, there's about an inch of root, or untwisted, unlocked root right here. So I feel like maybe half of it is actual new growth. But I'm enjoying the process. I'm loving it. The only reason I'm really going this long between twisting my locks is because I have a wedding coming up, and I didn't want to keep twisting it and manipulating it. So I decided to hold out for 8 weeks. Ugh. But I'm ready to twist my hair. If I didn't have this wedding, I would have been twisting my hair by now. But here we are. And I'll make sure to show y'all that, because I plan on doing a cute hairstyle for the wedding. But that's it, y'all. That's my lock update. I will come back in 3 months to give you my 6-month lock update. So look out for that. In May will be my 6 months lock. Can't believe it. I'm so excited. But that is it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below, click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. I'll be sure to see you in the next one, beauties. Bye.